Well, May has got her hair out of her face and she's sitting in a place with a lot of natural lighting. So you know this is gonna be another makeup video. Last time I did something that was really safe for me because I'm really used to doing nude makeup looks and I'm really used to doing that like soft girl kind of look. And today we're gonna do the absolute opposite of that. We're gonna go for like another sort of e-girl, trendy sort of thing. Kind of like the e-girl that's like also the misunderstood girl with no friends. We're gonna do that look today. Also, like I never connect my eyeliner to the bottom and like do that like cat thing that goes like boop. So we're gonna do that today. I just wanna like get myself in a place where I'm not at all comfortable so you guys can see me struggle, because I think that makes for some good content. So that I don't have to like introduce all my products, I'm gonna do it all like right now. So for my eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Brow Cream color. Also NYX eyebrow mascara. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using MAC Twisted Lash for the bottom lashes and Milk Kush mascara for the top lashes. I will be using NYX liner as well as some Sephora liner, some other Sephora liner. This one's brown. The NYX concealer for my under eyes. Sephora highlight palette. It's very, very pale. Perfect for me. For my eyeshadow palettes, I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Smoky palette and this Morphe X James Charles palette, and gonna be using some Burt's Bee blush, the same one that I used last time, and the same one that I used last time for this was the Dewy Finish, because these are just my go-tos. I will not be putting foundation on because my skin is very dry and sensitive to oils and products. We just gonna skip the foundation altogether and go straight to the eyebrows. We're just gonna be doing these a little bit softer than last time because the makeup is gonna be the harsh part, so we don't want the eyebrows stealing the show. So now that our eyebrows are done, we are going to move on to the eye look. I don't really like using gray on me because it makes me look dead. So we're gonna like try to use really warm grays and probably not that much, to be honest, because we could just go for a violet, very, very dark look. So we're just gonna start with the dark colors instead of the light colors so that we can blend them out with our pigment later. Yes, I'm gonna be using my fingers. You should be used to it by now. Get that transition shade all up in there. Smolder. It looks a little crazy right now. Hold on to your comments. Hold them tight. Kiss them goodnight. Don't get in a fight. Just packing on some glitter for us to blend into. Actually, if I ever create a palette, I'm gonna call it Glitterous, and I don't care what anyone else says. What are you doing in your quarantine? Oh, you know, just patenting Glitterous so no one can steal it from me later on in my career. I am so proud to announce my new collaboration with Morphe on my new palette, Glitterous. So now we're gonna go in with the colors. Oh, okay, so we're gonna go in with this very beautiful, right on the inside of the eye. And then we're gonna go in with the darker purple as a transition shade. And then we're gonna put that in the crease. Oh, that blends with the black so nice. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna put that like all over the outer corner because it looks amazing. I don't want to do too much with this because it looks so good. Do I still have my black lipstick? Oh my God, yes! Abso-fucking-lutely. Oh my God, black lipstick is gonna look so good with my new piercing. Holy shit. This is a purple shade with like a blue iridescent glimmer. It is fucking beautiful. And I'm just gonna like try to get it on my eye. I don't know if it'll pick up this pigment because there's so much going on, but. So now that my eye look is sort of, it's all come together, I'm just going to cut the outside. This is my favorite part because it kind of reveals what was going on behind the scenes this whole time. Now that we're done with that, we can start with the eyeliner. which is going to be a lot of fun because it's going to be really, really big. And usually I line it with the thin one and then I'll fill it with the big brush. So that didn't turn out too bad. It's going to be slightly uneven because my eyes are like, they're off center to each other, but that's natural. Like that's how most eyes are. Ooh, I'm not the best at compensating for that when it comes to makeup, so this is what we get. I still put like blush and concealer on because I think that like makeup isn't done without them, even though I skip foundation myself. Sort of brightens up the center of my face. All right, so now we're gonna move on to blush. First of all, I think that this look would not be complete without a little heart and some faux freckles. All right. And now we add the highlight, which I totally forgot to add. So this is what I've got so far. Now for the 3 final steps. I'm going to do my mascara, do my lips, and then we're going to set. And that will be it, sis. So while the makeup is still wet, I'm just gonna add a little bit of purple to the center, and then we'll add a little bit more once it dries. But while we wait for it to dry, we'll put on that mascara. That's all done. And my lipstick is dry. We're gonna add a tiny bit more of that pigment. And now for the fascinators. I will be right back with the finished look. That first spray surprised me. She's the queen of darkness, she's the queen of shadows, she's the queen of cobwebs, she's the queen of death. She's the queen of something dark. But either way, this was a lot of fun. I am feeling this goth look on me, guys. It's a little over the top, but I fucking love it. So thank you for coming along on this journey of mine. Just be considerate, stay inside, and have a good time going slowly crazy because I know I am. Thank you for watching. Bye!